There's a sentence that cuts through confusion, flips the script, and changes the dynamic instantly. One sentence that makes her lean in, not because you're playing a game, but because you finally stepped into your true power as a man. In this video, we're going to talk about that sentence, and more importantly, the man behind it. In Stoicism, words mean nothing without weight. You don't just say something, you are something. And when a woman feels that, resistance dissolves. Stoicism is not about being cold or distant, it's about mastery of your emotions, your focus, and your energy. And when it comes to relationships, that mastery is magnetic. Most men either say too much or say nothing at all. One is desperate, the other is detached. But the Stoic, he says exactly what needs to be said. Nothing more, nothing less. Women aren't drawn to noise, they're drawn to presence. And the right words was spoken from presence, not performance, create gravity. We'll cover in this video. 1. How ancient Stoics like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus would approach dating today. 2. The single most attractive sentence you can say and why it works. 3. The psychological triggers that build tension and pull. 4. How to use your voice as a tool of influence, not validation. Real-life examples from men like Mike Tyson, Kobe Bryant, and modern Stoics. Here's what most men don't understand. Attraction isn't logical, it's felt. And it's felt through your energy, your tone, your silence, and yes, your words. But those words must carry the full weight of your intention. They must be backed by confidence, not insecurity. And here's where Stoicism delivers its edge. It trains you to remain calm while others chase, grounded while others perform, intentional while others manipulate. The sentence that shifts everything. I like you, but I'm not going to chase you. I don't chase what's unsure about me. Why does this work? Because it flips the power dynamic. It communicates. Self-respect, emotional independence, mystery standards. It says you're a man of value, and that your time, your energy, your attention is a gift, not something to be bartered. Breakdown. 1. I like you shows honesty, vulnerability, and presence. It's clear, masculine, and not afraid to express desire. 2. But I'm not going to chase you introduces boundaries. You're not needy, you're selective. 3. I don't chase what's unsure about me. This is the hammer. It draws the line. It reflects deep self-worth and forces her to feel the weight of her uncertainty. This sentence isn't a tactic. It's a declaration of who you are. In today's world where dating has become flooded with games, endless texting, emotional manipulation, and ghosting, this type of clarity is rare and powerful. It resets the frame. When you deliver this line calmly, without emotion, while holding strong eye contact, or even in a message that doesn't beg for a reply, it creates tension. That tension is the birthplace of respect and often attraction. Other silent actions that build on this. Delaying replies, not to play games, but because your time is full. Eye contact that holds but doesn't chase. A life filled with purpose, not scrolling. Honoring your word always. Walking away when boundaries are crossed once. All of these reinforce the sentence. They are the sentence. Mike Tyson wasn't just a fighter, he was a storm. And yet in his prime, he spoke very little. He let his presence do the work. Women were drawn to him not just because of fame, but because of intensity, clarity, and confidence. Tyson didn't explain himself. He was himself. You don't need to be a boxer, you need to be clear. The Stoic core. Epictetus once said, "Don't explain your philosophy, embody it." That's the key. The sentence you say doesn't work unless you are the kind of man who means it, who lives it, who doesn't just say he won't chase, he genuinely won't. And that's rare. That's why it works. You don't need lines, you need truth. And the most powerful truth is this: you are enough. You do not beg, you do not chase, you lead. Say the sentence. Say it only once. Say it when it matters. Then leave it alone. Let her feel your absence. Let her feel the shift. Because in the end, a woman won't resist you because of your charm. She'll be drawn because of your calm. She'll stay because of your self-respect, and she'll chase because you finally stop chasing her. Subscribe for more Stoic wisdom and a power-based mindset for modern men.